Pickerington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Licking County, northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located 7 miles southwest of Pickerington, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, half-dollar-size hail. Locations impacted include Pickerington, Baltimore, Reynoldsburg, Pawtascala, New Albany, Granville. In addition, Carroll, Bryce, State Route 158 at State Route 204, Etna, Summit Station, Kirkersville, Jersey and Beechwood trails are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 107 and 128. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.